Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, it's going to be a quick little video. I'm going to show you some things that I recently purchased at the Dollar General store and also the Dollar Tree store. I was in those stores shooting some video footage to share with you guys of all the Christmas stuff that's coming out now. And I went ahead and I created a 5-minute little video. If you haven't seen it and would like to see the walkthrough of both stores of their Christmas selection, I will leave the link right up here. Go click on that and you can see what Christmas stuff they actually have in the stores right now. Okay, so with that said, as I was shooting the video, of course I was throwing stuff in my cart, so let's see what I got. But before I show you what I ended up buying at the store, I want to show you the first thing that my husband surprised me with. My Christmas tree is all snowman. I had snowman, snowflakes, everything is that theme for my main Christmas tree in the living room. I've had that for years. Well, my tree topper snowman has seen better days. He's getting kind of old and he's not blinking like he should. And yeah, so it's time to upgrade. So my husband, he got this off Amazon. I will leave the link down below if you're interested in checking this out. But he is a snowman tree hugger. And you position him on top of the tree and then you have his scarf hang down from the top of the tree, and I will share that with you guys when I actually do put him on my tree. So like I said, I will leave the link in the description box if you would like to check that out. So we'll just put him right back here for now. But you also don't have to just use those for tops of trees. They had them like wrapped around banisters and a whole bunch of different ways you could play with something like that. Okay, so now I try to keep it organized. I'm going to show you the stuff I got at the Dollar General store. This was the first item out. It was a little metal Santa Claus, $1. Huh. Well, we need to balance him, don't we? I didn't check out his, oh, there you go. You just had to adjust him. He probably got a little bent in the bag, but I got that. I just thought these were funny. We like to be goofy sometimes around our house, especially on Christmas morning. We'll get all our stuff together and I would wear something like this on Christmas morning. And I would probably also wear something like this on Christmas morning with the glasses. So these were all these were $1 and these were at Dollar General. And also some Christmas bags from Dollar General. Oh, one more thing from the Dollar General. Also got the little snowman and he didn't get bent up. Okay, so that was the few items that I got from the Dollar General store. And then I'm going to show you the items I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, like you guys know, everything in the Dollar Tree is $1, so yes. Here's a little wine glass. It says, treat your elf. How cute is that? I showed in the video these little snowmen. They had a Santa Claus and they light up and they are only $1. Well, hold on. I gotta break the strip. There we go. So I got that one. And I also got more snowman ornaments from a tree. These were $1, and I just thought those were adorable. So you can see I stick with a lot of snowman. And then also, I got 3 of these, but these are adorable. I got 3 of them. This was the snowman one. And they are motion activated also. So those are really cute. Okay, and this is the nativity scene. And this is also motion activated. So I think that's going to be adorable. And then I also, since I loved them so much, I had to go with the penguin. And I can't remember what this one was. So that makes your Christmas tree come alive. And I'm sure my cats are going to be playing with it and it's going to be going off all the time. It's probably going to drive me a little batty and I'm probably going to end up shutting them off. Also, I got little snowflake lights. I can't really show them to you because I didn't put the batteries in it, but those were also $1. and also got some more snowflakes ornaments. So I am definitely getting ready for my snowman Christmas tree, getting some more upgrades to it. Now this was not part of the Christmas, but this was just so cute. It was $1 and it was right by the checkout, and that had to go in my bag too. And this is just a little scarf you wrap around your neck. And it was really soft and furry feeling, and I like the color. It was nice and gray. And they had a whole bunch of Christmas ones too. They had red and white that looked like, they look pretty much like this almost, but for us, a lot of Christmas ones. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. Remember, click on the link above if you would like to see the walkthrough of the Christmas section of both stores. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.